The Metaverse. It's a convergence of physical and digital reality, with the goal of becoming a virtual identity that enables experiences in a virtual economy that is interchangeable with the physical world. Advancing technology has made virtual worlds more accepted and accessible, and companies are increasingly investing in the infrastructure needed to build out the Metaverse. Video games, mainstream media, and social media have slowly been shaping new norms around virtual experiences. Video games are replacing social interaction, physical experiences have been shifting to the virtual world, digital ownership is becoming much more prevalent, and the virtual identity is becoming increasingly important. As a result, the economic opportunity is too large to ignore by both new players and legacy players alike, with estimates that the market could be worth over $8 trillion as it matures. This is why we've begun to see a variety of companies start to position themselves by investing in the space, and in this video, we'll analyze 5 companies that have the most significant potential to reap the tailwinds of this exponential opportunity. Take-Two has an IP portfolio built on open virtual worlds, high social engagement, and brand partnerships, which provides a strong foundation to build upon in the Metaverse. Although Take-Two's near-term outlook does not look as promising after news of expansion delays, the company still has massive long-term potential with 3 unannounced remasters that will serve as a precursor to a monstrous GTA 6 release. Take-Two's flagship titles, Grand Theft Auto and Red Dead, are 2 of the most large and complex open-world virtual environments, which is key to creating a compelling metaverse. The popularity of these open-world games is unparalleled, with GTA 5 being the second best-selling game of all time, having sold 155 million copies worldwide. Red Dead Redemption 2 has also sold an impressive 39 million units, which seems low compared to GTA 5, but it's still sold more than other renowned games worldwide, like Skyrim, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and Terraria. With Microsoft's $70 billion acquisition of Activision, Take-Two's relatively conservative valuation of $19 billion makes it an increasingly likely acquisition target by a major player such as Amazon or Meta to strengthen their positioning in the metaverse against increasing competition. With GTA 6, one of the most anticipated game releases of all time, coinciding with rapid metaverse investment over the next few years, there's no doubt that Take-Two will be able to find even more creative ways to monetize its virtual worlds as technology improves and the virtual economy becomes interchangeable with the real economy. All of these factors suggest that Take-Two is already well positioned to benefit from the metaverse trend. Warner Music Group is well positioned to benefit from metaverse trends as music is incredibly important to many of the most popular social platforms, and record labels stand to benefit as the owners of these rights. That makes Warner Music a relatively lower risk play on the expansion of engagement within digital reality, and the company has been actively exploring investments within the virtual world. Recently, the company partnered with Roblox for a virtual concert that kicked off 21 Pilots' Takeover Tour, and the site was visited more than 13 million times. They also signed Ha Jiang, a virtual artist that exists only online, to Wet Records, which is Warner Music Asia's Pan-Asian dance label. Warner Music's management understands the importance that music plays within a comprehensive user experience, and they have expressed that they are looking to integrate with social, gaming, fitness, and VR platforms. This is evident from their recent Twitch partnership, investments in companies like Dapper Labs NFT, Wave, and Roblox, while having a global partnership with Genies, which is the world's largest avatar tech company. WMG is driving growth within the virtual world, and it has the potential to become a major player within the space. Roblox already offers creators all of the tools required for content creation in a low-code format, which has made the implementation of creative processes much easier for developers and its creator economy. Almost all the content is user-generated, and the creators share the majority of the money users spend on the platform. This ranges from content developed by individual creators and video game studios, to film studios such as Netflix, and musical artists as well, like Lil Nas X, which shows its use cases for entertainment outside of gaming. This support for the creator economy has enabled 24 million experiences that players can explore, which has in turn driven massive consumer interest, especially towards the younger generation. Roblox monetizes its user base through the sale of its virtual currency, Robux, which can be used to enhance game experiences, customize a player's avatar, or acquire developer resources. Developers are also compensated in Robux, which can be exchanged for fiat currency or spent back into the platform. The company currently has 47 million daily active users and expects to grow to 78 million by 2024, with each daily active user spending on average 2.6 hours per day on experiences. This amounts to over half of American children playing the game according to the company as of 2020. Over the long term, management envisions a world where consumers can virtually buy anything that you can buy in real life, such as houses, land, art, and cars, which would signal the beginnings of interchangeability between your real and virtual self. According to a survey conducted by Newzoo, consumers view the ability to choose their avatar's appearance as a key feature in terms of driving overall enjoyment within the metaverse. Roblox is investing heavily in the avatar marketplace by improving the realism of virtual appearances in an effort to enhance the feeling of self-expression and presence among the gamer base. The more engaged they are, the more time they spend, and the more they invest in the platform. Roblox has also seen an increasing amount of brand partnerships as brands try to engage with a massive user base through immersive experiences. The old brand partnerships were centered around creating virtual items or integrating branded mystery hunts into existing experiences. Today, brands can directly access the developer community to create limited time events to promote experiences and products. An example of this brand integration to highlight is the Roblox Gucci Gardens. During the pandemic, Gucci partnered with Roblox to recreate a virtual version of the Gucci Garden in Florence that includes a Gucci store, a Gucci museum, and a Gucci restaurant. In the virtual world, players were able to try on different Gucci virtual items which they could then purchase. While the Gucci Garden experience only lasted for 2 weeks, nearly 20 million people visited. The Queen Bee Dionysus bag was initially sold for 475 Robux, or the equivalent of $5, but given the scarcity behind the availability of the bag, scalpers started to list the bags for tens of thousands of Robux, and the highest price sold amounted to $4,115. The same bag in real life costs $3,400, which is 17% cheaper. This highlights the importance that this generation of players places on avatar customizability as a form of self-expression and status within the virtual world. Roblox has been investing in all of these essential elements that consumers want the metaverse to possess, and this will continue to make Roblox one of the leaders in the space as it grows. Meta is currently undertaking 3 investment initiatives that make the company one of the best positioned in this space, and those are the Oculus virtual reality, augmented reality lenses and smart glasses, and 3, the Horizon workrooms. Since acquiring Oculus in 2014 in a $2 billion deal, Meta has been focused on developing best-in-class hardware and complementary software for VR experiences. The Oculus Quest 2 is the company's newest VR headset that allows users to play games, try fitness classes, play sports, and watch concerts in virtual environments. Most importantly, the Quest 2 is linked to users' Facebook accounts, which means users can seamlessly connect with friends to play games or hang out in the virtual world. One of Meta's biggest differentiators in VR is the variety of experiences offered outside of gaming. Users can explore extreme terrain in National Geographic Explore VR, visit a VR aquatic safari park, or even recreate the Apollo 11 mission to the moon. As Meta's hardware continues to improve, there should be increasing adoption on both the developer and consumer side to drive additional variety in the experiences offered. In September 2021, Meta launched the first generation of its smart glasses, which were developed in partnership with Ray-Ban. The glasses don't have AR functionality built in and are designed more for taking pictures, videos, listening to music, and taking calls. While the glasses are stylish, this initial release won't be the one that drives large-scale adoption. With that said, fully immersive AR glasses will definitely be a driver for experiences in the metaverse, and the next-gen glasses that Meta releases in the next 5 to 10 years should be significantly more useful. Similar to Snap, Meta has built AR lenses within the Instagram chat and Messenger platforms. There are currently 600,000 AR creators that have produced 2 million AR filters in 190 countries, and Meta is working to better monetize AR commerce, which will be a key driver of AR adoption. Meta recently launched a VR experience for Oculus Quest 2 named Horizon Workrooms that allows up to 16 people to render in as their avatar and collaborate in workspaces virtually. Broad adoption could still be 5 to 10 years away, but there's a promising market for global virtual collaboration that brings a more lifelike experience and enhances the feeling of a personal touch compared to just a video meeting. The $10 billion investment Meta is spending this year to fund all of these initiatives, along with Meta's addition of 10,000 new employees in Europe, specifically working on the Metaverse, make Meta one of the best positioned to excel in this new age. Snap is also one of the best positioned virtual platforms in the development of the Metaverse due to 3 key product areas: virtual avatars, the camera and augmented reality, and the Snap Map. Over the past few years, Snap has been focused on investing in its Bitmoji avatars, which represents an individual's virtual identity. Bitmoji gives users the opportunity to customize their physical traits, along with their style, mood, and their favorite sports teams. Snap's new gaming platform, Snap Games, allows users to play games as their virtual avatar as well. Fashion brands like Ralph Lauren and Levi's have also developed custom items that can be worn by the Bitmojis. Snap distinguishes itself from its peers by leveraging camera and AR technology as the principal drivers of engagement and user-generated content. Currently, Snap has 200 million daily active users using AR, and this community creates on average 5 billion snaps per day, opens the app on average 30 times per day, and regularly uses AR lenses for social interactions. Snap is beginning to build a creator community through its recently launched Lens Studio and Camera Kit. The Lens Studio enables a community of 200,000 plus creators to build their own AR experiences using their own machine learning models, and the Camera Kit makes the tools from the Lens Studio integrate with external partner apps like the MLB, Zoom, and even Disney, which offers special AR experiences through Snap at its resorts. Snap is one of the few platforms that can integrate AR both in the app and outside of the app, which opens the door for a number of new partnerships to engage an even larger audience and tap into new AR revenue opportunities on the platform. Snap owns one of the world's most popular virtual maps that spans over 250 million users and 35 million businesses monthly. The Snap Map is a bridge between the digital and physical world that enables users to locate both their friends and local businesses. It's possible that in the future, users will be able to locate local businesses on the map and do things from ordering food virtually to trying on items virtually with AR and make those purchases directly on the app. That wraps up the list of the companies who are best positioned for the Metaverse. Which Metaverse companies are you looking at? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know what type of content you guys would like to see next.